Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant, widow of slain Raju Pal, who at his death was a sitting MLA of Uttar Pradesh State Assembly, is before this court in her relentless pursuit for securing investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation into the stirring incident of murderous attack on her husband, snuffing their a week old martial tie. This is the appellant's second outing before this forum, she having been relegated earlier to the High Court to seek the remedy at the first instance. By the decision impugned, the High Court has declined the relief sought for. We have heard Mr. R.S. Sodhi, learned senior counsel for the appellant, Ms. V. Monhona, learned senior counsel for the respondent numbers 1 and 2, Mr. P.N. Mishra, learned senior counsel for the respondent number 3, and Mr. Manoj Goyal, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 4 and 5. The eventful factual backdrop is outlined by the available pleadings. First, the facts as narrated by the appellant. In the by-elections to the vacant seat of Allahabad State Assembly held in the month of October 2004, the same having been vacated on the resignation of its incumbent Muhammad Ahmad, respondent number 4, he having been elected as a member of parliament from Phulpur constituency, Allahabad, the appellant's husband was elected there too by defeating the nearest contender Muhammad Ashraf, set up by the Samajwadi Party. Whereas the appellant's husband, as the candidate of the Bahujan Samaj Party, for short hereinafter referred to as BSP, secured more votes than the respondent number 5. The other candidates representing the Congress and BJP fared very poorly in comparison. According to the appellant, since this defeat, respondent number 5, along with his brother, that is respondent number 4, as well as the then Chief Minister of the state, had taken the setback to be a matter of personal humiliation, defeat, and insult, so much so that the respondent number 4 declared in public that the candidate elected would not be able to hold the seat for long. It has been alleged by the appellant that subsequent thereto continuous attempts were made to eliminate Raju Pal, and that too with the convenience of the local police and at the instigation of the respondent number 4. The appellant has asserted that as a consequence, the family members and the supporters of her husband very often were assaulted and subjected to harassment by arrest by the police and hired goons engaged by the respondent number 4 and 5, and that their property and personal belongings were even destroyed. The appellant alleged as well that the respondent number 5 was an history seeker against whom several cases had been lodged involving the offense of murder, but on account of his political clout and the following of antisocial elements, no witness would even dare to give evidence of his nefarious activities. This was more so according to the appellant as he enjoyed police patronage and protection. The appellant stated that after the election of her husband as the member of the Legislative Assembly on 16/10/2004, three abortive attempts were made on his life and the properties belonging to him, and his close relatives were ransacked and taken away. The appellant mentioned that the last attempt on the life of her husband before the gruesome incident was made on 28/12/2004. Prior thereto, amongst other, an attempt was also made in the month of November 2004, whereafter Raju Pal did submit a representation to the governor of the state on 4/11/2004, following which the said constitutional authorities had directed an inquiry to be made. According to the appellant, though the governor of the state had directed that additional security be provided to her husband, it was not done, and instead his existing security staff was replaced by the state government. Such was the animosity as alleged by the appellant that the state government even had withdrawn Raju Pal's official gunners, for whose timely intervention he survived the attempt on his life on 28/12/2004 by the hired goons and henchmen of the respondent number 4 and 5. The appellant has alleged that the two official gunners of her husband were replaced by other on the choice of the local police and the desire of the respondent numbers 4 and 5 to ensure that Raju Pal does not escape the next attempt. That in connection with the incident of 28/12/2004, Raju Pal had lodged a first information report with the police in which he had named these respondents has been stated as well. This notwithstanding, buckling under political pressure, the police even deleted the name of respondent number 5 from the FIR and made a formality of some investigation. The appellant has stated that on the date of the incident at 3 p.m., her husband Raju Paul was traveling in a vehicle accompanied by his two supporters, Sandeep Yadav and Devi Pal Yadav. Stop.